cleaning up this beauty today. I think honestly this is a very, very ugly fish. So call it pakoo here in Guyana, but everybody else calls it a toadfish. So taking out this today. Ay, ay, ay. Very slippery. I think next time what I'll do, because I don't want to take off the head and the entrails and all that. And this fish actually has scale. This fish has some very fine scale. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those who might be thinking, oh, it might be an on-scale fish. Nope. Not an on-scale fish. I think I'll take another try at this. Catch another one, if I ever do. Alright, not the worst job. Right, got most of the meat off. Entrails left here. Alright, Ziploc, wash this off, Ziploc, freezer. Alright, so finish cleaning the toadfish, aka pakoo, and it's time to wrap this up, put it in the freezer. So next time we'll cook up this bad boy. Don't know what I'll do with it yet, but it'll be delicious. I can say that to you. Alright, shout out to Philip Adwin for actually giving me this. We went fishing today. He got this and a grouper. So he gifted me this one. Shout out to Philip Adwin. Alright? See you.